Hey everybody, Amy Cramer here from Cramer Law Group. We are in our next installment of the teaching tool from Ashley Ogadebe versus McDermott, Will, and Emery. We're using this complaint as a teaching tool. We are not taking all the things as true. We are simply using the complaint to talk about some different themes and how we as leaders in the workplace or in HR can really cut through those and focus on making money. Okay. So, this next one, we're going to talk about building investigation procedures. So, here, in the case, we've seen the investigations or the accused manager is the one who reported the complaint to HR. Witnesses were coached on what to say, conclusions were predetermined. It's like someone going on a PIP, and sometimes it's like a foregone conclusion that they are probably going to lose their job. It's a foregoing conclusion that the organization will find that there is no evidence of any misdeed or wrongdoing. Okay, so this isn't just poor HR practice, it's like evidence of this institutional bias that juries can find compelling. So, what do we need for effective investigations? We need truly neutral investigators, comprehensive witness interviews without intimidation. We need to document, and we need to make conclusions that are based on the evidence and not the politics of the workplace. Okay, so let's really dive deep into that. We don't want to let the organizational hierarchy affect the fact finding, right? So if the accused is higher up than the accuser, then, just because he or she is above the other person, that they should be, found to be innocent, right, of the charges. That is essentially just the organization backing their pony, right? Senior employees shouldn't get special treatment in investigations at all, okay? Your investigation also has to demonstrate some kind of commitment to finding facts and not protecting these preferred employees, right? So let's say you're investigating a white male employee who has a history of sexual harassment, making women feel uncomfortable in the workplace. But he's in sales and he makes the company a ton of money, right? Let's not do a biased investigation when it comes to this guy, right? Let's make sure that the evidence at hand is really documented and that we follow common sense, okay? We need to protect the company at all of these costs. If this guy makes a lot of money, guess what? You're going to find somebody else who also makes the company a lot of money, but who doesn't engage in these shenanigans.